We're going to create a holiday t-shirt design, throw that design on a mock-up, and then turn that mock-up into a website. And the video starts right now. Guys, I have some amazing information for you today. First, what are those sleigh bells? So you know what time it is, guys. Let's get into some holiday magic.
T-shirt help desk, baby.
All right, guys, I'm going to show you how you can design holiday tees like that. How you can just design t-shirts in general like that. And then I have some really special new features that I want to show you. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to tell you about a special going on for Black Friday. So without any further ado, let's get busy. All right, let's go here and let's open up Kittl. So you can see there's all these templates and you can use these to do pretty much anything. But I'm going to go up here to the search bar and I'm going to put Santa. Click enter. Now look at all these Santa t-shirt design. Okay, I like this one right here. Let's click on that one. And now let's click use template. All right. So now I like this, but we're going to have to do some customizing. So we're going to go to this menu to the left down. This is our layers. We're going to go down to the bottom one. I want to go to background and click that off. Okay, that's nice and clean. I'm going to make this Santa a little bit smaller. I'm going to get rid of that like thing in the background and I'm going to move that down. Now we're going to take this one and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change the wording. All right. I'm going to write the word y'all, but you can see that the font is this really tight together. And you can go right over here, click right here, and make the font spread out, depending on how you want your font to look. So we're going to spread this out. Now we have y'all ain't. We're going to copy that and do it twice. Okay, and I'm going to change that second y'all ain't, but first, let's get our colors. So it's like this tan and red, which is hard to see on a white background. So we're going to make the words red and gray. First, let's find a nice gray. So once I have my font selected, I go in and I click a nice gray color on the color wheel. And you can see it changing the font. All right. But I want that drop shadow background to be gray like that. Now we're going to click on these again and we're going to click right there and we're just going to click that red, which is the same red used in Santa. So now I'm going to change these snowflakes to gray and I'm going to go down to that second y'all ain't and I'm going to change that text. Getting S y'all ain't getting You thought I was about to curse. Come on now. It's the holidays. When people got their little childrens watching. No. All I'm saying is be quiet, you know. Let Santa come down the chimney and do his thing in peace. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Anyway, let's get back to it. So before I get into the next thing, I want to go over here to layers and go to background and click back on, turn it back on, because although we turned it off, we still have to change the color to white. So now the background is white. The reason why we're doing that is because that's going to help us with the next thing. Now, if you've seen in my other videos, you know that you can use a prompt and make mockups. But did you know that there's a mockup feature right on the side? Let me show you. It's so simple and easy. Make sure your artboard is selected and go over here and select mockup. And it automatically makes a mockup and you can stretch your art, make it bigger, and it moves with the folds. Or you can go back over here. Or you can go over here and search through and find something else. So I see this woman in a hoodie, click it, boom. And you can take your art and pull it in And you can take your art and size it just how you want. And you see how it like stretches with the folds and everything. It is amazing. So let me go over here and see if there's another one that I want to make. And you just click on it. And boom. Just like that, it's done. And you can do your sizing. How simple is that? And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in the description. Guys, if you ever wanted to talk to me, if you are having an issue with anything in the T-shirt industry, you can contact me at clarity.fm. We'll hop on a call and figure whatever your issue is out. That's clarity.fm/Gary Ejene. So guys, now I'm going to show you something that is crazy. I'm going to show you a couple of things. Number one is that, did you know that you can combine multiple references and use AI and make one thing? And did you know that you can make websites with Kittl? Okay, so we're gonna go over here to our upload, and I have some sample hero images. All right, the hero image is like the main image on a website when you go to a website, and it pretty much tells a story of what a website is all about. All right, so I just dropped these three here, and I'm gonna go down and click right here to make an artboard, and I'm just gonna put an artboard around each one of these images. All you have to do is so simple. Bring in your artwork and then grab the artboard, put a box around it, put a box around this third one, and you're done. So I go to this top one, I click on the artboard, and I go over here and I click make smartboard. And then I pull it over here under this hoodie. And then I go to the second one, I click on that little purple thing right there. It makes a smartboard, and I pull it down and connect it. And I go to this other one and I do the same thing. Click the little purple little circle thing right there. It makes an artboard. It makes an artboard, and then I pull it over and I connect all of those artboards. Then I go up to this young lady in the hoodie and I do the same thing. So now all four of those artboards are connected, and we can go down here and click, and you can see all four of those images are in this prompt box. So let's add a prompt. Please take all three of these website images and combine them and add this mockup to come up with a great holiday Black Friday image for an e-commerce website. Generate. And look at that. That looks amazing. Doesn't that look like that you would see on Shopify or any of these great templates and all that stuff? Now, please note, this is not a working website, okay? This is pretty much a mock-up, but you can take this and bring it into something like Web AI, Lovable, any one of those things, right? And it can reproduce it. This is the world of AI, guys. So although it's not a working website, it gives you the look of your website, all right? So you have an amazing head start. This AI stuff is incredible. All right, guys, those are just a few of the new features that you can do with Kittl. They are just adding stuff every day to help you take it to a whole nother level. And by the way, guess what? You know what time it is? Black Friday, so check this out. Black Friday sale, 25% off annual, pro, and expert plans, all right? Just use the code BF2025, all right? Make it happen. So anyway, if you enjoyed that, there is a full Kittl tutorial right here. Happy holiday season. You know what I'm finna do. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Happy holidays, and I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.